The HP 5TW10AA 120W docking station is a powerful workspace expansion solution designed for users who want to turn a single laptop setup into a full desktop experience. It focuses on productivity, stability, and convenience, making it suitable for professionals, students, and creators who rely on multiple devices and external displays. With a clean and practical design approach, it helps reduce cable clutter while giving you a more organized and efficient working environment. With support for dual monitor output, this docking station helps you build a more efficient multitasking environment. Whether you're editing content, managing spreadsheets, coding, or attending virtual meetings, having two external displays significantly improves workflow. The experience feels much smoother when you can spread tasks across multiple screens, and it allows you to stay focused without constantly switching between windows. The 120W power delivery ensures your laptop stays charged even under heavy use, reducing interruptions and keeping performance stable throughout the day, especially during demanding workloads. Connectivity is one of its strongest advantages, offering a wide range of ports that typically include HDMI or DisplayPort outputs for external monitors, multiple USB-A ports for accessories, and USB-C support for modern peripherals. It also provides a reliable Ethernet port for stable wired internet, which is essential for fast downloads, video calls, and online work. This makes it easy to connect keyboards, mice, external storage drives, and other essential devices without constantly swapping cables. The docking station feels solid and well-built, designed to sit securely on a desk while maintaining a professional setup that enhances productivity. Overall, the HP 5TW10AA 120W docking station delivers a reliable and practical solution for anyone looking to upgrade their laptop setup into a more professional workstation. It balances power, versatility, and ease of use, making it a strong choice for those who want a cleaner desk and a more productive workflow without unnecessary complexity.
Check out the video description for updated price. And thank you for watching this video.